Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. What is GreenSoy Technology? GreenSoy Technology is an innovative formulation at the core of Fresh Roof's products. This patented technology utilizes a specialized blend of triglycerides derived from soybean oil, known as reactive rejuvenators. Unlike traditional soy-based products that use fatty methyl esters, which tend to evaporate quickly due to their lower boiling points, GreenSoy Technology is designed to integrate deeply with asphalt shingle molecules. The triglycerides in GreenSoy Technology have higher boiling points, significantly reducing surface evaporation. This ensures that the product remains effective for longer periods, reducing the frequency of reapplications. The reactive nature of the triglycerides allows them to chemically bond with the asphalt in the shingles, becoming a part of the shingle structure itself rather than merely sitting on the surface. This bonding process not only prevents the product from evaporating, but also enhances the durability and effectiveness of the roof's protection against environmental factors. In summary, GreenSoy Technology represents a breakthrough in roof rejuvenation, offering a sustainable, long-lasting solution that enhances the structural integrity and longevity of asphalt shingles. This makes Fresh Roof a superior choice for maintaining and protecting roofs.